Ako yung pa-introduce ng President to the media. Ikaw, Ma'am Jen,
Yes,
sa may sige na.
Katawag na adlaw sa tanan. So, si Sir Cookie, amo ang General Manager here at Toyota Cebu City. Si Ma'am Pao is amo ang Customer Relation Manager. Ako is Jen Ramos, one of the GRM here in Toyota Cebu City. And then si Ma'am Sa, one of GRM also here in Toyota Cebu City. Then sa ato ang mga bank is naa si Ma'am Camille sa PS Bank nato. Sa BPI naman nato si Sir Kyle and si Sir Harvey. For the East West naman is si Sir Charlie Harvey. And then si Ma'am Debbie sa Sterling naman. And Yana.
Yan. We're expecting 4 banks kompleto naman. So basically, we're complete. Basically, the highlight is Bank Fiesta, July 15 to July 17. It's a 3-day event. We're bringing in or inviting customers. We're making sure that this is going to be one-stop shop for customers, sir, ma'am. We're inviting customers also na visit dire because mas convenient na ang pag-apply. We're not saying it will be a bank hopping. It's more like customers ang amo ang pariyon because we're having exciting prizes, having some games, may mga pakulo, and also introducing some other convenience items such as the Car Plus battery. Daghan mig mga dealer-initiated projects also for Toyota Cebu City para highly convenient sa atong mga customers. Kay the name of the game right now for our customers is convenience man. If we cannot provide convenience to the customers, no business at all. So basically, that's why we're having our dear partner banks co-sponsoring the event. They will be here from July 15 to July 17. Have any questions or you have anything to share, ma'am? Ma'am Camille?
We'd just like to ask at each bank, what offer are you giving for this 15 to 17? So maybe we can start this
Good morning, everyone. So I am Debbie Largo. I'm the team head for the auto loans sales of Sterling Bank of Asia. So right now, since this is a dealer event, we're invited by the dealer. So we are aligned with the promos offered by the dealer, by the Toyota Cebu itself. So that's the dealer all-in, free chattel, free insurance. So we are aligned to that.
Also I'm Charlie from Estos Bank. We also invited from Toyota. We also cater the promo given by the Toyota.
Good morning, I'm RV from BPI Auto Loans. And for this 3-day event, we offer free shuttle and free insurance. So we look forward to clients who will walk in this showroom and avail with our product from BPI.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Camille De La Torre of Philippine Savings Bank or PS Bank. Thank you, Sir Cookie at Toyota Cebu for having us here on your 3-day event. So, brief overview of PS Bank Auto Loan. We offer competitive rates like what Ma'am mentioned, the all-in promos and everything. We're also aligned to that. We have simple requirements, 24 hours approval. 1 day lang may check na, as you can see in our banner there. And also we offer prime rebates for advance payment and pre-termination of auto loan. That's it.
At sa dito sa PS Bank, sa mapilis ka ginagawa para ma-approve na yung tulog na ka ba
Pwede, or less than ma'am. We have clients na we release the auto loan. So simple, it depends on your source of income. So if you're employed, ITR, COP, and IDs, you can open an account for your mode of payment, then we apply it in our system. What it means with 24 hours, the approval, the decision on your application will be out in 24 hours or less. So if it's out, you can release the unit immediately if all the requirements are complete.
Is that all true to all the banks?
It's
Pila income na ni Arumay na
minimum for us, sir, is 30,000, but depends on the car na imong kuha. So if higher, it should be also higher.
So, may mga collateral.
Minimum 30, but depends on, yes sir, but it depends on the car. If you will get a more expensive car, so mas dako sa required income, combined income spouses or spouses.
So, na collateral.
Collateral da sa sakyanan sir.
Yes, this one is an auto
Sakyanan is the collateral.
So, Cookie, the house at lahat. These are banks are your top banks.
Yeah, basically they're top banks, ma'am, and they're also the most responsive. We've invited a few. The first four, kanang dali kayong i-cooperate. So of course, our way of saying thank you also prioritize na next 3 days also. Yes.
Is this the first time where you're doing something?
This is the second time, right? The first time was during Ma'am Kirsten's time, the former GM. This is the second time already. And I think this is the first time that we've invited media.
Yes.
Now, so that's why it's mas bongga this time.
So, muas ko sa mga banking friends ako, kumusta ang interest rates karong panahon na?
Tungkol sa busy, sir.
We're wondering, of course, mangutang. So, kumusta naman?
Actually, it's fluctuating, so we always depend on the BSP's regulations. So it depends every month, na times nga mo up, na times nga mo down. So I think since this is a dealer event, and then the dealer set a certain rates for all the banks, so we've aligned to that, as I've said. So natay certain rates for
Special
the
rates.
dealer
Oh,
only.
okay.
So that is kanang gihatag na sa dealer.
Guys.
Sterling ba?
Sige na, Ito, so lain na saan, muna. Tinuod ba na sayo na ba kayo mangutang ron? Oh, tinuod ba na sayo na ba kayo mangutang ron? Oh. Ito, muna. How easy na ba karon sa mga Cebuanos to get an auto loan?
How easy is it to get a loan from your bank?
If you're earning, if you have the capacity to pay, then kasi all banks have this parameters. If you're employed, your tenure, the employment is stable, so that's very easy to be approved.
So, ano na yung pinakataas na terms na hatag ninyo karon?
BPI has 6 to 7 years extended term, but that depends on the client's profile. So, profiling yung po ng buhaton, kung i-evaluate.
Kinahanglan yun ka na naakay mo lang. Sige, tawagan na ng deposit level nga every month para
For BPI, we don't require. So,
okay.
even though they didn't depositors, you can pay with us. You can pay with the 7 or 6 to 7 years, even if you are not depositor, but subject for credit evaluation.
Okay.
So, kanan yung free insurance, first year na? 3 years? First year.
So wala mo any enticing, this is an event, more or less on top of it ba? Nga we're in. So what ba mo ma-offer karon like 2 years free insurance? They will come here ba? So something like that. Wala na. Or the regular lang yun nga kung ano yun.
Or peso, kuwan.
Or bila equity sa niya, equity sa to na nato.
Hindi, free shuttle mortgage na, no? Okay. Sir, sa Toyota, unsay laing freebies aside sa ilang side, unsay freebies from Toyota?
Sa amo answer is naami mga PCB merchandise. So naami ka na bitaw umbrella, naami tumbler, notebook. So every close account na mo today from 15 to 17, we will give something freebies sa client na mo.
For every application, right?
Yes.
Application. Plus, napos sila yung chance na magduwa.
Katulungan.
So, additional discounts and exciting freebies natin mga clients and freebies. Yes, natin clients and freebies nga kada duwa-duwa na niya. So, make it as festive as possible.
Hindi, by one big one.
Puhon ba? Puhon.
Sa mga walk-ins, are na libre pagkaon?
Libre pagkaon. Yes.
Okay. Sige na, nag-break na.
Ano ba?
Kung dili employed ba, so dili jud siya ma-qualify? pero naay capacity. Unsa man ninyo?
Like virtual assistant, normally
Ikaw, wala na ba na sila?
So unsa may
for
way
phone-based employees, naman na sila naman tayo mga ganang proof of income without bank statements, payment vouchers from their employer. So latest 3 months lang nila provide. Among i-evaluate, among i-validate.
Parehas ang
Pwede nga, proof na naka-income ba? O bank statement, kung taga-BPI ka, nakaon mo yung bangko.
Gcash naman di pa daha. Di mo sa bank.
Bank statement sa Gcash, sir.
Yan ang incoming.
O na IT ka. Oo, di ba? Oo.
Kana interesado ni kumanani ko.
Home-based guideline, sir.
Walay trabaho.
If I may add also, yes, Sterling Bank of Asia can cater to our VAs or work from home kanang clients. We only need their COE or independent contractor, di ba? They always have the contract from the client, and then we will need that. And the proof of transaction, wherein salary or the income coming from the employer or the kung sa'yo ka-contract is nadyo musud to the to the client, to the borrower. So we need the proof of transaction or history of the fund. And we need also, we require also na at least 3 years na siya ana nga pagka-VA, not just that 1 year pa lang siya, bago pa lang siya that will qualify as unstable ang source of income if bago pa na siya nag-start as VA.
Same for every other bank. More or less of the same parameters.
Kaya 30,000 required parehas lang ba na? Dili.
Depende na sa ibang utang ko. Depende na sa utang. Depende na sa utang. Depende man na. Depende mas monthly ko. Ang monthly 30,000 sa dili na pautangon kay wala mabili nimo.
Ano na lang, how competitive are you with the other banks na kami may pilion, kamo may pilion na yami mo po. So, unsa may nalin nyo mawala sa ilang?
So, and for individual, how can you,
That's a tricky question, pero anyway, so as Sterling Bank, we can offer you the personalized service. We can cater to our clients nga belong to the, for example, top 1,000 corporation. We have this so-called the Smart Fast Track approval. So, Smart Fast Track, ang ni-fall ana nga mga clients are the seafarer, the doctors, professionals, even lawyers. We can do that also, subject to credit parameters as well. We can have that approved within 24 hours, not necessarily within the day that the time the application was sent to us, but within 24 hours. That depends on the cooperation also of the client, if kanang mo complete ang documents and all. But rest assured, we can give the client the service or the kanang hassle-free na transaction if they belong to that certain qualification. But as to the other profiles like self-employed, that we have this, as I've said, we will always give chance to all the kanang borrowers. We will listen to their kung unsa ilang kailangan jud, unsa ilang need, ganong need nila ang auto loans. So we have kanang Sterling Bank na ara siya na hassle-free na service and fast ra jud siya nga kanang approval.
And
Sige.
And also mo update pud ni sa mga clients if ever na ikuha nga dili mi murag mo ghost ba sa client na ay murag
Wala
dili
mi
naman
ghosting.
wala mi ghosting sa Sterling Bank of Asia.
We always reply to the client's queries and even to the agents or dealers' queries.
Ya pangitaan sa namo paagi kung unsay need, kung unsay pwede malusot nato, at least ma-approve then ma-release it. So mo rin pinaka-importante sa Sterling.
what's your tagline?
Bank with a heart.
Bank with the heart.
Banking in a different beat. Banking in a different beat.
Sige, business.
Sa East West naman sa ma'am, sir, we focus more on sa customer relationship, personal service, especially sa partner ng mga dealer. So we focus more on sa pas-pas ang mga approval. And then we scrutinize all the applications from the agents and scrutinize before na mo i-send sa amo ang kita credit. So dila na mo credit na. So more on personal service me on to our partner.
Sige na, gusto niya.
Single commerce na.
Tabangan ako. Tabangan ako.
BPI.
What's different with us, BPI is nagkakita branches all over Cebu. So once mag-approve ka, yung muhang ADA account or kanang mong deposit account na I know saan kita nato sa monthly amortization, convenient kayo please you want to deposit. So daghan kita BPI branches all over Cebu, and we are top in digital banking. So convenient kayo if you want to do any payments, especially to your loan, credit card. So top si BPI sa digital banking. So that's what makes BPI different. Convenience.
And then for CPIs and also, we are also offering flexible term. That's why we are offering 6 to 7 years. And sometimes income ni client dili sold for 5 years. So that's why we are offering 6 to 7. Para masold ang income ni client, and then they can have their
Shaking.
For PS Bank,
Oh, auto debit.
to start, we have 24-hour approval. It's fast and our requirements are simple. Also, we have prime rebate. We have clients pays ahead of due date or we terminate the loan before the term. So we give prime rebates to that. And also, we have 24-hour banking support through our official PS Bank website, Facebook page, and